Creating page using Bootstrap. While creating the page, page using Bootstrap, follow these steps. Follow these steps. Number one, link to bootstrap.css file. Link to bootstrap.css file in head section. Link to bootstrap.css file in head section. Number two, use body tag. Use body tag. Use body tag. Number three, inside body tag, use these classes. Use these classes. What are that? One is called container, and second one is called container float. Container and container float. One class is called container and second class is called container float. Container and container float. Container and container float, what it do? We can write here. It has a margin from left and right. Left and right. Container float, it has no margin from any side. It has no any margin from any side. Okay, now we'll create a file, grid1.html, and we'll understand how this container and container float is going to work. We will create a file, grid1.html, in Bootstrap folder. Grid1.html you create under the Bootstrap. Grid1.html you create under the Bootstrap folder, where we have created one file before, test.html. There only create one more file, grid1.html. In grid1.html file, we have to follow the head. Then you will follow call link rel, style set, href, dist is the folder name, css is also folder name, bootstrap.css you can write here. dist css bootstrap.css. Body open and close. Grid1.html file. Okay, done, included. Now use a division. Write for this class equal to container. Right inside 3-4 line. Okay, container. Now copy the same division, paste after this, write for container hyphen fluid, FLUID. Container hyphen fluid. Container hyphen fluid. Rotate. Now run the file. And see, are you finding any difference between container and container fluid? FLUID is the text as a class name. Okay, but not able to identify properly. Okay, write here some BR between both. Write 1 or 2 BR between both. Some very good space will come. Very good space will come. From top to bottom. Okay. You can see container. This is the container and this is container fluid. Container fluid covering full width. Container has little gap from left side as well as right side. So when we are creating a page, if you want, there should be some space, more space in left and right, we can use the container. And if your requirement will say, no, you cover full width, then you can use the container fluid. Okay, container float. Okay, come next. So container and container float is clear for all. Write the next point in developer guide. Inside container now what we have to do, that is a point number 4. Point number 4. Say use class as a row inside container or container float. Whether it is a container class or container float class, no problem. Inside you have to use a class called row. Compulsory. Point number 5. Inside row, what we need to do? Inside row class, follow any 12 columns, from given 72. You have total 72 classes. From the 72 class, you are going to use any 12. Right? Inside the row class, follow any column from the given 72. For that, what is that? We will be writing like this. Inside each class, inside each row, use minimum one column and maximum 12 columns. Under each row, inside each row, you cannot use 30 columns. You have to use a range called between 1 to 12. Now, if you look inside your list, you have total 72 classes, and that is divided into 6 types, right? Under each type, we have total 12 classes. Under each type, we have total 12 classes. Okay. So now next, how to use is the method. Okay. You will create the next file, grid2.html. 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 Till here. Okay, coming now inside the body. First, follow the class division container. Container. Inside container, class is required for row. Row. Inside container, we required a class called row. Now under this row class, we have to follow the columns. Class equal to call hyphen lg hyphen 1. You write 1 first, print call hello. And call lg1, write one more time, hello. Okay, both are coming in the same line. Okay, so we wrote hello one, save it. Now both should print in one line. Printing in one line. See, in each row, you have total 12 columns. Inside each row total we have 12 columns. In the list of class also if you see, call LG. Start from 1 and going till 12. If you want to make 12 column, then use 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 12 times. If you want to create only one column, then use call LG 12. 12 you can combine one place also, at 12 you can split also. Now how you will split? There is a numbers. Okay, total we have to use inside each row minimum 1 and maximum is a 12. You will not exceed by 12. Now what will happen of 1 and what is the meaning of 12? Let me open the calculator and I will go here. Suppose we have one row. This row will be taking full width. Full width is always 100%. 100% divided by 12. 8.33. When you have written 1, call LG1, it is taking a space of 8.33. Next also take 8.33. Right? So total we have 100%. 100 divided by 12. 8.33 came. Now let me do multiple again into 12. So become as a 100%. Right? So meaning of call LG1, meaning of call LG1 is nothing but width has a 8.33%. Hello. Hello. Where you got from? You should say first. Okay. So now college 1, right? Now, so it's cover 8.33 and this also cover 8.33. Now this call LG111, we are going to keep 12 times so that total width was 100%. 8.33, 8.33, 8.33, 8.33. We are going to split into 12 pieces. Okay. So let's write here. Call LG1, call LG1, call LG1, call LG1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So just to add total 12 times. Call LG111, total how many times? 12 times. All 12 in non-online. Hello, hello, hello. How many times? 12 times. You should run in the full screen. See, it's like this. You should run in full screen. Something like this. Call LG111, total 12 times. Save the file somewhere else. Where you have saved the file? Where? Where? Save the folder. Folder, whenever someone asks to move the folder, don't go to the file. Go there. Learn now. Okay. You know, minimize this page. Folder option is here. No? Click on this. Show me your folder. Go inside. Where is your file? There system pages. Okay. Right click on that. Do right click. Let's will sit in the middle room. Ask him also. Two tables is there. We combine. That on. two tables combined. Other people are. I will give him a block. Now open with notepad++. See what you wrote. Link RE is equal to SPYLE XXEP this is created with bootstrap.css. Now you follow here class as a container, class equal to row. Here you follow class equal to format is not one you are written with the right empty. And you have written one G. Check now, your page is printing in the same line or new line. All should print in same line, something like this. 1 minute, I will come back. Laptop will not be off. I will off. It will work, right? This is also off. This one. This will off. right? So hope for all 12 columns are printing in one line. Okay, all 12 columns are printing in one line. If we use the 13th number column, add one more 13th number column here. Hello 13 right here. Hello, or just write as a 13 and see where this 13th number column is coming. It will not fit in same line. It will not fit in same line. Sequence. Fitting in the same line. It will go to the new line. Because call LG 111 12 times has already occupied the entire width. Call LG 111 is written 12 times. It has already occupied the entire width. If you are adding anything else, it will go to the new line. It will not fit in the same line. So that is something like this. You can see here. 13 came to the new line. So now how we are going to calculate? We are going to use the row every time, column also every time, but inside the column count, we will never use more than 12. Column count, we will never use more than 12. We will keep column count maximum till 12 only. It can be combination of 111 or 222 or 33 or 44 or 55, but should not increase by 12. Okay, come now. So this row is end here. You can write a comment. Row end here. Row end here. Row end here. Row end here. You will follow one HR tag. HR tag. This is what we are learning, grid system of Bootstrap. This is called grid system. Okay. Now after this HR, write one more division and follow class equal to row. Okay. Call equal to class equal to row. Inside this row, we are going to create again column, but we will not create 12 columns. 12 column, we will try to divide into 6 parts. Correct? 12 column, we'll try to divide into 6 parts. So what will happen? How much will come? Total we have 12. And if you are dividing into 6, then each will get 2. Correct? If you look into our developer guide, we have a class called callLG2 also. So callLG 2, 2, 2, 2, 6 times. Mobile. Oh. This is the one. OTP will come. Okay, a row. Inside the row now, let's come inside, follow the division. Class equal to call hyphen LG hyphen 2. Call LG 2. Let's follow inside hello 2. Then hello 2, hello 2, hello 2, hello 2, hello 2. Total 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Check now. How many blocks? Total 6 blocks. Make 6 column. Each column having the sharing of 2 to 2. So it will create the 6. More than 6 will not fit in one line. If you try to use more than 6, because all 12 columns are utilized. Remaining, if you write, it will go to the new line. Okay. Follow one more HR. This row is end here. This row end. After the row end, write one HR tag. After the row end, write one HR tag. After the row end, write one HR tag. Write here a division. Class equal to the row again. In this row, we are going to make total 4 blocks. So for 4 block, what will happen? 12 divided by 4. You will get 3, 3, 3 and 3. It can be anyone. LG, SM, MD, double XL or LG. Okay, but if you write 3, 3, 3, it will generate 4 blocks for you. You will write here, call LG 3, 3, hello 3, I am here. Okay, next 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 12. You can see complete. 7 now and check once. Come down. Write the next HR. Next HR tag. In that we will follow a row again. A row again. In that we'll follow a row again. There we can write call LG4 and add little more text inside. Okay, add little more text inside. Maybe 2-line text you can add. And same call LG4. Copy and paste 3 times. Okay, call LG4, call LG4 and call LG4 3 times. Save now and check once. Okay, then check now. Total how many blocks? 3 blocks. Now we will use the next one, not 5 and 5. We can write 5, 5 and then 2. Because total you have 12. If you use 5, 5, then how much will be pending? 2. Okay. Create little odd number. Next row. After one HR, you can write the next row. Division class equal to row. Division class equal to row. You will follow 1, 4. 4 and 1, 8. 4 and 8. Okay, ready? 4 and 8. Inside the 4, you can add some normal text. And inside the 8 also, you add the normal text. ABCD, ABCD. Then say one will be less width, another will be more width. So our page will look like this. 4 and 8. Come after this row, write one HR. Next, after that, write a division class equal to row. Division call hyphen LG hyphen 12. Complete full width. Call LG 12. Complete full width. Let's go inside. Add more content. It will cover full width 12. So call LG1 to call LG12 we have according to need. How many column we want to create in one row? We will follow, but maximum till 12. We can create more than 12 also, but for that I'll guide you after 1 or 2 class, after getting some more idea. We can make 50 column in one row, but first understand 1 to 12. After that, more than 12. So it is here somewhere. Okay. Go next then. We can leave this file. We'll come to developer guide and we can make a note again for some more classes. Then I'll guide you how to use all the classes. LG, SM, MD, Excel, double Excel. But again, get some idea on all LG. LG based, get some idea. Then we'll come back to next one. Okay, so this we follow grid system. Now after that, write the next class. Okay, you can add background classes. What are the classes we have? Using that, we can change the background of a area, background of the page, background of division, background of anything. So we can write classes for background color. Classes for background color. Wait a minute. Okay. Next, go ahead. Classes for background color. Classes for background color. One is called BG hyphen primary. It will give you blue color. BG hyphen danger will give you red color. BG hyphen success will give you green color. BG hyphen info will give you a sky blue color. BG hyphen warning will give you yellow color. BG hyphen secondary will give you gray color. BG hyphen light will give you white color. BG hyphen what is primary danger success info warning secondary light next dark will give you black color. This will be applicable for any background change, image, table, not image, body, you can write all paragraph, division, all the tags, whichever the tag we have. For all the tag background can be changed. Right below, classes for text color. Text color. Classes for text color. Classes for text color. Copy the same section and paste here. And instead of BG, convert into text. BG replace with the text. BG replace with the text, 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 text is a text of white, not light. And text hyphen dark, dark only. Okay, so let's create next file. Color.html, in that we'll use the text color and BG color. color.html. In that we'll use the text color and VG color. Okay, done. Go next. File created. What file name? Color.html. From previous file till body you can copy and paste. Save the file name color.html. Color.html. Follow the body tag. Close the HTML tag. Right inside for this division for body tag. Write class equal to bg-primary. Background will be in blue color. BG primary background will be SPML I have written, right? BG primary, right? Let's see. Yes. Okay, come to this file. Right inside a division class equal to container. Class equal to container. Next division class equal to row. Next division call hyphen lg hyphen 4. Inside the 4, first you should write a comment here for end. For end. Call lg4. Inside the call LG4, write a p tag. And under p tag, write some text. 3-4 line, no problem. Okay, some certain text you can write. Okay, then next after this, for this paragraph, class equal to bg hyphen white. For body, you are given the primary blue color, and for paragraph, you are writing as a white. Okay, so entire screen will be blue, and the paragraph will display the content in white background. The area of paragraph will be white, bg white. Okay, working. So background will be white color of particular paragraph. But it's touching completely upper section, right? Okay. So inside container or maybe before container, you write a BR, one BR. We have classes for all. So we are just write the BR now and check once. Okay. But your content is very compressed. You can see here, it's a touching completely wall side, no? Padding we need to apply. In CSS, we have seen the padding. So here also we can apply the padding. But for padding, you are not going to write the CSS manually. Class is already written. P-1, 4 pixel. P-2, 8 pixel. P-3, 16 pixel. P-4, 24 pixel. And P-5, 48 pixel. So Bootstrap has given you 25 classes for padding purpose and 25 classes for the margin purpose. Because you can apply the space anywhere. Maybe button need a space only from left, no space from top, right, and bottom. Then how to do? Classes are exist for all. Okay. So for padding, 25 class, and for margin also 25. We'll make a note. Now we are going to write in this P4 or maybe P3. P3 represents 16 pixel. 1 means 4, 2 means 8, 3 means 16. Okay, 4 means 24, and 5 means 48. Okay, so right here, P-3. So it will give you 16 pixel padding inside the paragraph. (16 pixel). Some space happen. Now copy the same 4. Some space happen, and that should look like this. something like this, little spacious, not much space, but little spacious. Copy the second same 4 and paste after this. Copy the LG 4 and paste after this. Right inside BG white only. Okay, or let's change to BG warning. Background will come yellow color. And right here called P4. Little more padding. P4, little more padding. P4. Let us see how it is. Something like this. Padding is more. Same college G, cut from here and paste after this. P-5. Keep this one as a danger. Or maybe secondary. BG secondary P5. Padding 48 px. Happen P5. Something like this. Lace padding 16 pixel, 24 pixel, and then 48 pixel. We have one class. If you want to use, you can use here. Rounded. RO rounded. It will apply the radius. Rounded, apply for this P tab. Rounded, you apply for this tag also. Rounded, you apply for the next tag also. Little radius will apply somewhere 5 pixel. No. Hello. Hello. बैंगलोर से हाँ कौन सा करना है आपको कल कॉल किए थे ना आप मैं बताया था आपको कल कॉल किए थे ना आप कहाँ से कॉल किए कल कॉल किए थे इसी नंबर पे बात हुआ था इस नंबर पे नहीं दूसरा नंबर पे इन्फो कैंपस में कॉल किए थे कल अरे चलो ठीक है नाम बताइए ठीक है एजुकेशन क्या है आपका एजुकेशन 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 में पूछ रहा हूँ एज नहीं पूछ पढ़ाई लिखाई क्या किया आपने क्या पढ़े हो भाई आपका एजुकेशन बैकग्राउंड क्या है ठीक है वेट कीजिए थोड़ा देर आपको कॉल करेगा दूसरा आदमी पीयू करके कैसे लोग सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर बन सकते हैं यार? People after PU, how they will become developer? You think something? What is the urgency? Study little more. At least maintain a level. Okay, so something like this. Correct. So these classes are going to help you to make your page more clean and clear. So what class use here? Background, padding, as well as rounded. Come to developer guide. Okay. Now write in other classes. Other classes. In other classes, we can write called rounded. For what purpose? Radial purpose. To apply little radius. To apply little radius. Next, rounded circle. For what purpose? To apply 50% radius. Okay. Rounded circle will make 50% radius. Next, write the next class. P for padding. You can write classes for margin and padding. Classes for margin and padding. Classes for margin and padding. Margin and classes for margin and padding. Next, you write here. When you write for P, it represents the padding. When you write M, it represents the margin. T will help you. T represents the top. B represents the bottom. L represents the left. R represents the right. Okay. Left, right, top, bottom. Now come down. 1 represent 4 pixel. Px 2 will present you 8 pixel. 3 will present you 16 pixel. 4 will present you 24 pixel. 5 will present you 48 px. Okay. Done. Written. Now let's generate the classes for padding. For padding, p-1, how much? P-1 if you write, P meaning is what? Padding. 1 meaning is what? 4px. Padding 4px. P-2, P-3, P-4, P-5. Okay. P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. Next, we will write for PL1, PL2, PL3, PL4, PL5. Next, we will write for PR1. PR, what is it represent? Padding, right. R you have written, R for what? Right. P for padding. So PR2, PR3, PR4, and PR5. Then PT, padding top, padding top, padding top, padding top, padding top. PB, padding bottom, padding bottom, padding bottom, padding bottom, padding. Written. Padding related how many? 25. Similar way, we have margin related 25, but that we'll see tomorrow, and then we'll create example. In Bootstrap, we have ready-made classes. These classes are helpful to design the page without writing the CSS. We'll not have to write the CSS, and then based on this class, we can manage page. We can create the page quickly. We can design the page better without any writing the CSS. Okay. PR3, what is that? Adding right? 16%. Then PB4, 24. Yes. Yes, madam. Hello. Yeah, hello. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I think we have emailed you a week before, right? We got the profile from some other center. Some other institute they have sent the profile, and we have interview.